100% new to the Union Binding family, the ST represents our philosophy that there is no such thing as entry level in our lineup. Investing and reinvesting into products is what sets Union apart from the competition. Backed with a lifetime warranty, the Stage 5 Duraflex baseplate is tough as nails and comes with dual density EVA bushings to provide incredible dampening and true board flex. The ST's canted gas pedals supply extra leverage for ollie power and allow the knee and ankle joints to be better aligned for less fatigue and pain. The symmetrical, modern-fitting ST highbacks are tapered towards the top, providing flex and tweakability where you want it and support and durability where you need it. Just like with all Union bindings, you get a 3-way adjustable heel cup, shift-on-the-fly forward lean, toolless adjustable ankle strap, as well as 2-way adjustable toe straps. Right out of the box, the ST is compatible with both 4x4 and the channel, so you won't need any extra discs to mount to your favorite snowboard. And if that's not enough, the ST is backed by Union's lifetime warranty on base plates and heel cups. If you break or even crack your base plate or heel cup during riding, we'll replace it for life, guaranteed. Available in 3 different colorways and 3 different sizes, the ST from Union Binding Company.